Power. Whoa. Oh, uncle. Good evening. How are things? How's that? Diasporans, people who come from other countries, not only Africa, anywhere, and then go and start lives elsewhere. We're always misunderstood, and if you're not close to someone, if you're close to someone, you need to tell them the truth. That's why I'm making this video. I want people to understand us, so we can all be happy. Shout out to the TFP crew, Transport for Productions. What's up, boss? Ndar. Yeah, time. You see, I'm making this video while doing what? While warming my food, while on short break, going to spark up the vehicle and go. If I don't do it now, maybe I won't do it. When I finish, going to bed. When I wake up, on the go. You get time. You're talking with people who are in a rush. You're talking with people who are in a hurry. Yeah? You're talking to people who are tired. Number one is time. Time is very expensive for people who are abroad or overseas. People are always tired because they're working long hours. They're doing so many things within the same day. So expect to talk with people who are already fed up and tired because of the time. Number two, find out their well-being before you ask any assistance. Very annoying to a person to just sort of, as soon as you contact them, can I have help? Something has happened, I need help for this, I need help for that, but they have not asked you anything about how you are or what's going on with you, who they're asking help. You get me? Very important. Number three, check on them randomly. People who are away and far away, especially, they go away alone or find, few people over there, they're not like a family. They like it if you just randomly check on them. Well, actually, I personally would love any person abroad to randomly check on me. How are you now? You've been quiet. That's what I'm talking of. Another thing is, they do not owe you anything. Okay? You speak with people who are far away, where you're coming from, and they're talking to you as though you owe them something. They don't owe you nothing. They don't owe you nothing when you contact those people. Talk with them, communicate with them like they don't owe you nothing. Because think of it, you can actually go over there and do what they're doing. That's what's in the mind of the person who you're talking with. You can do what I'm doing. So I don't owe you. If you really want to understand them, that's it. They don't owe you nothing. Old friends, they used to tell me, oh, how do you come back? You don't tell us you've come back. How come you? So they got your number, they got your email, they do Facebook with you or something. But you're the one who should tell them when you're people don't think that you actually want the same treatment. It's weird. The fifth thing is accents. Accents do change simply because of where they are. The accent is different. That means they don't sound the same or they're trying to sound different. It's not that they're forcing anything. They need that to thrive. Okay? Some people contact you and then they think, oh, this is just putting it on and everything. It's not a choice. There is not a choice for that. Sometimes you end up with an accent which is, it's not from where you're working and it's not from where you're coming from. Isn't that crazy? Hey? So where is it from? You're in between. Where you come from, they don't really accept it. And where you come, where you operate, they don't think it's legit. Diasporans, man. I spoke about accents recently. Have a look at that video. I'm talking everyday stuff now, Videos from a truck driver, that's what I'm calling it. From overseas. Make sure to subscribe and give us thumbs up, you know what I mean? culture is a bit of both. Yeah, right? So you're talking with someone whose character has actually now been mixed with the character of where you are and where they are. They can't lose totally. Some people try and totally lose it, others try and keep the old one. But in my opinion, people are dealing with two characters, two cultures, bit of both. If they have been to 3 places, they are dealing with 3 cultures. You understand? So you want to talk with people knowing that they're dealing with a different culture. So if they're talking with you in a certain way, or if they act in a certain way, yeah, because they're mixed up culture. Number 6 is the clothes and the image. The clothes and the image differ. People who are living far away from where they come from, they always change the image because they are trying to fit in. Simply trying to fit in where they are. Then they are less emotional because of the journey they've had. For instance, imagine I'm here and I lose someone. I lose a relative right now and I can't actually go back over there to bury them. What do I have to do? And probably they've just told me when I'm walking into a shift, I'm just going to start a lorry in 10 minutes, and they've told me someone has just passed on, my uncle has just passed on. You understand? I have to get back, I have to get in the vehicle and drive it and take the delivery. What does that do for my emotions? It means that now I'm less emotional. I can't help the things I can't help, I cannot help. That means it makes me, so you're talking with people who these people are cold, they're what? It's the journey they're taking. You want to understand them, you understand all these issues. Number 8 is rather ask to join them than keep asking cash. As simple as that. People will want to rather help you come here, get me this document, give me this letter, than you keep asking. They just feel like, why can't you come here and do what I'm doing? All right, rather ask and then to join than to cash. Some people will straight up tell you they don't like traveling. They rather stay in home country until they find out how much you're making. Now they'll never talk with you properly again. And how about those who discover it late after years have gone? And I fume for you like you're the one who didn't tell them. Diasporans, yeah? People who come from overseas or abroad, yeah? You can't forget your ties because your loved ones are there. But how do they understand you? That job was a quick thing. I was so lucky. It was record time. When I got there, I think I was tipped within about 40 minutes, and it was also maybe 30 minutes away. That was brilliant.